Risk disclaimer. Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. I want to welcome you to this video. I'm so sorry. Yesterday, I couldn't create a video. I mean, it was a busy day. By now, you know that I'm a minister of the gospel, so Sundays are my busiest days. But I'm so sorry. Anyway, welcome back to today and happy new month to you. Today is June 1st. If you are watching this video today, so we have a lot to do today. Number one, I hope you watched the video I created last week about the Euro USD, the free forecast. I mean, you can see right now Euro USD is coming back, So if you have not seen the video, there will be a link below this video because it's not too late for you to, tap into the trend and just ride the trend and make your money. Okay. Also, today we are going to be picking the winner for our palliative cash gift of 7,500 naira at the end of this video. I hope you go hang around and who knows, you might be the winner. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, if this is the very first time you are visiting us, please do me a favor, click the link below this video and subscribe. Hit the bell so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. We try to create, video for you every day on this channel, educating you, answer your questions, and just give you valuable information that will help you in your trading career. So you don't want to miss any of the video. So like this video, share it on your Facebook profile, leave your comment, and if you have any topic that you want me to cover, please leave it also in the comment below. Thank you so much. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that as we get into today's video. Awesome. So welcome back. If you remember very well, we started talking about 12 technical indicators that you need to avoid using on your MT4 platform. And today, one of them is CCI. CCI. What is CCI? The Commodity Channel Index. The Commodity Channel Index, created in 1980. 1980. Remember, we talked about if you want to use a cell phone, of course you will not be using cell phone that was created in 1980, 1985. You will try and use the latest cell phone. If you want to travel by train, you will not go by the train that was created in 1920. You will try and go by the latest one, okay, the latest version. You want to buy TV set, you will not be buying old school TV. You will buy the new ones, right? So the same thing, you want to use indicator. I mean, indicators are not bad, but you need to understand most of all these indicators were created, long time ago. They were created for stocks and they were not for Forex. There was nothing like Facebook, there was nothing like Amazon, there was nothing like all this artificial intelligence trading that we have right now when most of all these indicators were created. So one of them is CCI, as I've said. So how do you get CCI? Is right here on your chart. Now CCI is used to trade a reversal and to also trade trend, but the problem with CCI is that it's too jerky. It either gives you a signal so early or you don't even get the signal at all. Take a look at this chart. You see right here, this is okay, as you can see, this is NASDAQ. So right in this place, it will be telling you, okay, you can go short, right? If you go short in this place, take a look at what happened to the market. The market went back up, right? The market went back up. So if you are the one using this kind of, so are you telling me that right now with this, right now with CCI up like this, ranging around 100, So are you telling me that you wouldn't have placed a trade for all this uptrend? Okay, so that is one of the reasons why you need to know that CCI will make you lose money if you are one of those people that still follow this. If you are a stock trader, well, maybe it could work for you. But if you are a forex trader, I mean, the purpose of this video is to educate you on what is working for me, what I have tested that did not work. I mean, I started trading forex 2006. So right now we're looking to how many years? 14. Is that 14 years? So I mean, I've tested a bunch of all these indicators, and in my over 10 years trading experience, I want to tell you categorically that if you continue using CCI as a forex trader, you will continue losing money. Okay, you will continue losing money, because imagine if you short this market here. This is Nasdaq, and this has been going on like this, and of course the market keeps going up like this. Then you would have lost money, because if you have shorted this trade right here, let's assume that you go short somewhere here, okay, your stop loss would have been somewhere here, and you would have been caught out. Okay, you would have cut out, and maybe okay, again over here again you enter another short, you put your stop loss over here, I mean, because of what you have here, then you would have, you know, got cut out again. I mean, also over here you would have possibly been tempted to enter short and put your stop loss here. Also, you would have stopped out. Okay, the same thing over here. Okay, you would have possibly be tempted to go short, put your stop loss here. You would have also lost that trade. Then also maybe possibly over here you would have been tempted also to go short somewhere there, put stop loss. You would have also lost that trade. So my friend, if you are still using CCI, watch this video, and if you disagree with what I say, you don't have to agree. But remember that ability to have open mind is what makes you money in this industry. You might have been doing something over and over and over, and if you are not making money with it, I think there is no problem in you changing, making that shift. Making that shift. But Einstein's define insanity as doing same thing over and over and expect different results. Okay, so my friend, I hope you got a nugget from today's video. Once again, if you have not liked this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, and my friend, drum roll, let's pick our winner for today. So right now, these are all the videos for last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We didn't create one yesterday. So this has 186 views. This has 720 views. This has 733 views. So let's look at the one with 733 views. How many comments is that? So this has okay. So this has 14 comments. So we're going to use this. I will pick the URL, and then let's go and get a winner here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Let's pick the winner of 7,500 Naira palliative cash gift. Who is the winner? Let's go. Wow, congratulations, G-Next. G-Next is our winner. This is G-Next. G-Next, congratulations. If this is you, you win 7,500 Naira palliative cash gift. Congratulations, man. So message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +1 214 440 6099, okay, to claim your cash. And also, if you want to send me an email, send it to info@tradermatic.net. info@tradermatic.net. Just put real, okay, the subject real 7,005, okay. So just put that as the subject of the email, and congratulations, my friend. I will see you tomorrow.